Hey everybody, Western Painted 530 here. I haven't showed you where I usually keep the new, well, I figured out his name. I'm gonna name him Blade, the black-mouthed sawback. And he's in this 65-gallon pond here. It's not on the ground, I just have it here for the summer. And this is where all my hatchling turtles will be going when I if and when I get some at the reptile show. Let's see if I can find him. Here he is. Doing good, very lively. I don't really need a heater for this because the water stays nice and warm out here in the sun. It gets natural sunlight here on the dock. It has all this cover here. He has a good personality. He isn't really scared when I hold him, but still lively enough that he still wants to get away. And that's his favorite plant there. He has the Magnum 350 here. Just gets some pretty good filtration. Okay. I'm swinging over here. I feed him Akari bloodworms. Good protein for him. Lots of vitamins, very healthy for him. And then I have, this isn't Zoo-Med Repusticks, it's natural aquatic turtle food that came with them. I'll probably get more soon, and that's just with calcium. And then I have krill for him, frozen krill, and I feed him some crickets. He really likes crickets. And an update on the pond. I have my turtles out here. I got the wall up pretty much for the most part. And here is the spot, the painted turtle I have. He's really friendly. Got the water hyacinths. Cleaned the pond today, it was getting pretty green. The filters, I had to clean that, and the filter's working really good now. And I got someone outside the pond running around. It's my female Western Painted. Very pretty girl. Very nice colors on her. If I can get a picture of her head. Very nice greens and yellows. Nice red bottom. Some pretty good designs. They kind of fade when they get older, but she's still very pretty. Stick her back in the pond so you can see her swim. But yeah, hopefully more turtles this summer. They're going to the Reading Reptile Show or the Super Show in Oaks, PA. Yeah, everything's looking pretty good out here. Got lots of plants for them. And if I do get box turtles soon, that section over there will be for the box turtles, and I'll probably fence in this part for the turtles, the aquatic ones, and then I have all this space to sun. There she goes again, and lay their eggs. Yeah. The mulch kind of washed out in here. Got a really heavy storm. I got some chives and parsley here for them. And they can eat the water hyacinths and I'm going to be putting some romaine lettuce out here for them. There's a spot. But yeah, this is actually a pretty big pond, so hopefully I can fit lots of turtles in here. This pond makes hers seem small. But yeah. And I'll probably be making a care video soon on them, so show you what I feed him and all that good stuff. Since I showed you what I feed him too. But yep. So close out on her. Western peonies are probably my favorite turtle. Love the colors. But yeah, guess that's it. Comment, rate, subscribe.